Now we're going to go ahead and show you how to install the new ALD, which is the anti-leaking device. It's a mechanical spring and ball physically holding it closed so that the solution can't come out when you pull in and out the cartridge. Again, you want to put on your gloves, you want to lift up the receptacle, tip it towards you, remove the cartridges vertically as they can leak currently without the ALD. So you want to set the cartridges aside, not tipping them over. And to replace the current check valve with the ALD, you're going to lift up on the sides. Get your hands underneath the top of the cartridge. You're going to remove the plastic top. You're going to take the cap off of the solution. Take the foam seal off. Take a knife underneath the rim of the old check valve and slightly pry up. The old check valve can come out. The new ALD device currently has this little retaining ring that holds the silicone disc in. Make sure that that does not fall out. That has to keep pressure down on that silicone disc in order for it to function. Install the new ALD. Install a new cap that has a new foam disc. That foam disc has to be there as well. Tighten down the cap. Snap your top back on. And assuming we did this to both cartridges, you wouldn't have to reinsert them vertically. You can now reinstall your receptacle. And you can now pierce through the new foam seal, and the cartridge will now not leak.